Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn division of rational numbers. Now, you all are familiar with division. The division is the method to divide anything in different subparts. Now, in this case, when two rational numbers are to be divided, first step is take the reciprocal of the second number by which you are going to divide and change the division to multiplication sign. Once you change this, then this question is transformed to multiplication question, and then solving it becomes much simpler. That is, you can solve by simply cancelling the factors, that is the common factors present over there. Now, we will start with question number 1. I am doing 1a 8 by 15 divided by 2 by 6. Now here you are supposed to divide 8 upon 15 by 2 upon 6. Now I am not doing anything just now, not trying to cancel first the common factors. Stick to one method only, that is change division to multiplication and take the reciprocal of second rational number. So 8 upon 15 into 6 upon 2. And now this becomes a multiplication question as simple as possible, and hence divide 2 and 6, that is cancel 6 and 2, you are getting 3, and then 3 5s are 15. So you are left with 8 upon 5, that is your final answer. Now in question number 2, I have done another part, that is 21 upon 25 divided by 14 upon 10. Now 21 upon 25 into 10 upon 14 it becomes, because we will take the reciprocal of the second rational number and change to multiplication. Once you have got that, then try to cancel the common factors. I have done 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, and 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and then 2 and 2 are also cancelled. So you are left with 3 upon 5. Very simple. Now children, one more thing it reminds me. Last week I observed that what you all do is, when I am teaching, I expect you all to have your notebooks along with you and start making the notes or doing the sums along with me, because someone is asking this exercise, someone is asking that exercise. That means you are just keeping the files in your mobile itself. That is not the method to learn maths. Maths is learned only through practice. So you have to do each and every question, whatever is being discussed along with me, then only you will be able to have all your questions in your maths copy. Now once you forget, or suppose your video is not there or video is not uploaded or whatsoever problems are there, why don't you do along with me? I am asking you to do each and every question, whichever I am doing, do it in your fair register, and after that whatever assignment is given, you try to complete it that day itself, so that your queries are solved. Now if you ask your queries after a certain gap, then obviously it is not clear to you also and not clear to me that which presentation are you talking about. For example, some children were asking about 4th June. Now that presentation which was done on 4th June, you are asking me to give it to you. Though I had all of them, I am keeping it, but don't expect me to do such an old presentation. Please do it along with me. Then only you will be able to have all your work in your copy systematically, properly done. Because when the school reopens, we are going to check all your work, and if you don't have the work properly done, then obviously you will have to face the consequences. So please do the classwork along with me, then only you will be able to do the work properly. I hope I am very clear. I said it from the beginning itself, children. Sit with your maths copy when we are having the class. Not that you keep it in your mobile, the things, and then after that you are simply watching those videos. That is not the method. Maths is learned through practice. You have to do, and doing once is not going to give you the competence. You will have to repeat it. Then only you will have the confidence to do the question on your own, because once you do it, that is not sufficient. Every question, I always say, is to be solved at least 5 times by a student of class 8th, whether in rough copy or in practice copy, whichsoever. Then only maths register, you are doing it along with me. After that you are required to practice it, not that once you do it somehow or the other and then you forget it. No. So please practice it properly. Now comes question number 3C. Now in 3C you are required to show that the distributive property does not hold with division. Now what you have to do here is you are required to prove that A divided by B divided by C, that is, this property is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. Here this property is associative property. Even distributive property does not hold. Here it is associative property. The numbers are already given. So I have substituted the values of A, B, C in the expression in left hand side as well as in right hand side and tried to solve. So you will solve first the bracket part, B divided by C, take the reciprocal of C and change it to multiplication. Then you get only 1 because the whole of the terms in the bracket get cancelled, and hence finally the answer for left hand side becomes minus 4 by 9. Now in right hand side, A divided by B first is to be solved, then divided by C. So A divided by B is minus 4 over 9 into 20 upon 12. Now here it is minus 12, of course. So cancel 4 3s are 12 only goes. So you are left with 20 upon 27 into 5 minus 3, and that will be equal to 100 upon minus 81. So it is not equal to left hand side. Hence left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Now children, we will be doing the remaining sums of exercise 1.7. We will do question number 4th. Product of two numbers is minus 20. One of them is 5 by 6. Other number will be what? So you are required to find out the other number. In order to find out other number, you will have to divide minus 20 divided by 5 by 6. And the procedure, once you understand this, that what you are required to do, then minus 20 into 6 by 5, take the reciprocal, change it to multiplication, and 5 fours are 20, it is cancelled. So you are left with 6 into minus 4, that is equals to minus 24. That means other number should be minus 24. And you can see that minus 20 upon minus 24, if you simplify, minus minus gets cancelled and 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, you will be getting 5 by 6. Hence your answer is correct. You can always verify your answer mentally at least. If you are not able to do it mentally, you can do it in rough column also if you have little time. Now comes question number 6. Now in this question, the question says number by which minus 12 by 35 be divided to get 3 by 7. Now you have to find that number. Now in order to find out that number, you are required to divide minus 12 by 35 divided by 3 by 7, because you will be dividing, then only you will be getting the required number, and hence change that division to multiplication and take the reciprocal. Minus 12 upon 35 into 7 by 3, Now 3 fours are 12, 7 fives are 35. So you are getting minus 4 by 5 as the final answer. Hence, the questions are solved like this. Now children, this is the last question of exercise 1.7, that is you have to divide sum and difference. So first you will have to find out the sum of two rational numbers, then you will have to find out difference of two rational numbers and then divide. So 8 by 3 plus 12 by 7, take LCM, 21. 21 divided by 3 will be 7. 7 8s are 56 and 21 divided by 7 becomes 3. 3 into 12 is 36. So numerator is 56 plus 36, denominator is 21, equals to 92 upon 21. That becomes the sum of these two rational numbers. Now difference, 8 by 3 minus 12 by 7. Again LCM is 21. Divide 21 by 3, you will be getting 7. 7 into 8 is 56. Again minus sign will come here instead of plus when you are doing sum. Now 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 into 12 is 36. So 56 minus 36 is equals to 20 upon 21. Now divide sum divided by difference. Therefore 92 upon 21 divided by 20 upon 21. Take the reciprocal of the second rational number. So 21 upon 20, 21, 21 gets cancelled and 20 and 92 would be cancelled by 2 once and then again by 2 you are getting 23 and 5. Finally, your answer is 23 upon 5, which you will obtain by dividing the sum by difference. Hence, that is all.